Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook stir-fried pork belly with spring onion. This recipe is not only easy but also tasty. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut the pork belly into slices. Prepare the pan and put the pork belly into it without adding any oil. Stir fry until the oil of the pork belly comes out. When the pork belly becomes slightly brown, we can turn off the heat. Get rid of the pork oil. In this way, the pork belly won't taste too greasy. Now chop some spring onion. Add the spring onion into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Soon we will be able to smell the flavor of spring onion. Now we need to make the sauce. We need 1 spoon of cooking wine, 2 spoons of soy sauce, ½ spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of white pepper powder. Mix well. Pour the sauce into the pan. Stir fry and mix well. Turn off the heat and it is ready. Very easy, right? This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.